Paid advertising risks with AI. The $100 billion warning. In February 2023, Google's Bard AI confidently stated that the James Webb Telescope took the first pictures of an exoplanet. Wrong. That was actually the VLT telescope in 2004. The result? Google's stock dropped 9% in one day. That's $100 billion lost in market cap, wiped out by a single AI hallucination. Now imagine that hallucination was in your ad. Imagine your AI wrote that your product cures diabetes when it doesn't, or generated an image that infringes someone's copyright, or created a deep fake that violates new state laws. AI is incredible for advertising, but used carelessly, it can trigger lawsuits, platform bans, and regulatory action. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to watch out for and how to protect yourself. And in this lesson, we will learn platform disclosure requirements from Meta, Google, TikTok rules, new legal requirements, state laws you must know, the hallucination problem, false claims that could sink you, copyright minefields, what you can and can't own, and the safety framework, how to use AI in ads responsibly. So let's protect your business. Risk number one, platform policy violations. Every major platform now has AI disclosure rules. Violate them and your ads get rejected, or worse. So let's start with the Meta rules, the Facebook, Instagram rules. AI generated photorealistic images, video must be labeled. Political or social issue ads required to disclose AI use. Deepfake ads are prohibited entirely. Meta auto labels ads using their own AI tools with AI info. And failure to disclose can result in ad rejection, account restriction, or permanent ban. Research shows adding an AI label can reduce engagement by 15 to 30%, but not labeling and getting caught is far worse. Your entire account can be shut down. Let's talk about the TikTok rules. Must disclose AI for realistic images, videos, and audios. Strongly encourages disclosure for significantly AI edited content. Filters and minor retouching are exempt. Penalties, content removal, and account suspension. What are the Google and the YouTube rules? AI generated content realistic content must be disclosed. Google's June 2025 crackdown penalizes scaled content abuse. AI content can receive lowest rating if it lacks originality. Penalty, massive ranking drops, and manual actions. So the pattern is that every platform is moving towards mandatory AI disclosure. Assume you need to label it. Risk number two is new legal requirements. This is evolving fast. New laws are being passed every month. New York Synthetic Performer Law, effective June 2026. And this is a groundbreaking legislation. Any ad using AI generated synthetic performers must conspicuously disclose it. A synthetic performer is a digitally created media appearing as a real person. Penalties $1,000 for first violation and $5,000 for subsequent violations. Covers ads but not expressive works. State political ad laws. 13 plus states now require disclosure when AI is used in political ads. California, Florida, Texas, New York, Michigan, Washington, and more. Some only apply within 60 to 90 days of elections. Includes deepfakes, synthetic voices, and AI altered images. Federal developments. Well, FTC investigating Meta's AI chat data used for ad targeting. Texas Responsible AI Governance Act fines up to $200,000 for violation. Massachusetts AI Disclosure Act proposed or would require permanent labels. More federal legislations expected in 2026. The trend is clear. Legal requirements are expanding from political ads to commercial ads. Plan for stricter rules. Risk number three, AI hallucinations in ad copies. Now, this is the risk most advertisers underestimate, and it's the one that can destroy you. What can go wrong? AI can confidently generate false product claims, made up statistics, fabricated testimonials, non existent awards or certifications, and fake competitor comparisons. The legal consequences: publishing AI generated false claims can trigger FTC investigations for false advertising, state attorney general actions, consumer protection lawsuits, class action suits, and platform bans. And here are some real cases. The defamation lawsuits have begun. Walters versus OpenAI. Now, ChatGPT falsely claimed a radio host embezzled money. Judge ruled for OpenAI on technicalities, but case showed the risk. Starbucks versus Meta. AI chatbot falsely linked activist to Capitol riot and Holocaust denial, seeking $5 million plus in damages. Wolf River Electric versus Google. Now, Google's AI overview falsely claimed a company was being sued by the state attorney general. The legal reality: the AI did it. Defense offers no legal protection. Courts are establishing you are responsible for AI output you publish and not the AI company. Risk number four: copyright and ownership issues. AI generated content creates a legal gray zone, the ownership problem. Under US copyright law, protection only extends to works created by human authors. This means purely AI generated content may not be copyrightable. Your competitors could legally copy your AI generated ads, and you can't enforce trademark claims the same way. And then there is the infringement risk. AI models train on copyrighted content. And when you generate images or text, the output might be substantially similar to protected works. You could be liable for infringement and not the AI company. The New York Times is suing OpenAI for exactly this. Active lawsuits: visual artists versus Stability AI, Midjourney and Deviant Art, record labels versus Udio and Suno for music generation, New York Times versus OpenAI and Microsoft, Getty Images versus Stability AI. Practical impact: well, if you are using AI images in paid ads, the image might infringe on someone's work. You might not be able to copyright your own and ad creative, and you could receive cease and desist letters. Risk number five: brand safety and trust. Now, even if you don't get sued, AI ads can damage your brand. There is a misinformation risk. If your AI generated ads contain false information, customers lose trust, reviews turn negative, social media backlash spreads, and there's a long term brand damage. And you see, there is the authenticity problem. Consumers increasingly distrust AI content. And 2025 study shows AI labeled content gets 15 to 30% less engagement. Authentic and human made are becoming selling points. Over reliance on AI can make your brand feel generic. Platform algorithm impacts. Meta's algorithm treats unlabeled AI content as risky. Fact checkers watch for manipulated media. Content rated false or altered gets downranked, and repeated violation hurts your account health. So, what is the safety framework? Here is how to use AI in advertising safely. Rule number one: always human review. Never publish AI generated ad copy without verification. Check every claim for accuracy. Verify statistics and citations. Confirm product claims are legally defensible, and rubber stamping AI output offers no legal protection. Rule number two: disclose when required. Follow this decision tree. Photorealistic AI images, videos, label it. Political or social issue ad, must label. Synthetic performers, AI humans, label. It's required by June 2026. Uncertain, label it anyways. Rule number three: keep the records. Document your AI usage. What tools you used, what prompts you gave, what human review was performed, and when it was published. This creates an audit trail if questions arise. Rule number four: get legal review for claims. Any ad making specific claims should be reviewed. Health claims, performance statistics, competitor comparisons, or testimonials, even the AI generated ones. Rule number 5, use AI for drafts and not for finals. Best practice workflow would be use AI to generate initial concepts, human rights edits the final copy, legal compliance reviews claims, human makes final approval, and proper disclosures are. And here is the compliance checklist for you. Before publishing any AI generated ad, make sure the content is verified, there are no hallucinations, it is platform compliant, it's legally compliant, copyright is cleared, there are proper labels, and there is a proper documentation. Save this checklist and use it every single time, because AI can supercharge your advertising, but it is not a set and forget tool. The companies that thrive with AI advertising are those that respect its risks while maximizing its benefits. Use AI, but use it responsibly. So here is what you are supposed to do. Before running your next AI assisted ad, review your platform's current AI disclosure policies. Check if your state has AI advertising laws. Audit your current ads for potential hallucinations. Implement a human review process for all AI content, and create documentation practices for AI usage. And here are 3 questions that I want to leave you with. Have you ever had an ad rejected? Imagine if it was for unlabeled AI content. What would happen to your business if your ad made a false claim? And do you know your state's AI disclosure laws? Tell me in the comments in the community, and we will review this and discuss on this together. See you.